Trying to use your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed only to realize it suddenly stops working cannot be good, especially when clicks stop responding or the cursor refuses to move. Many users notice the mouse disconnecting unexpectedly, staying completely unresponsive, or failing to connect through Bluetooth or wireless mode. Sometimes lights or movement appear briefly, while other times the mouse shows no response at all. In many situations, a Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed not working issue can happen because of battery problems, wireless connection interruptions, USB receiver issues, or temporary software glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed working properly again. 1. Check the battery inside the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed and replace it if power feels weak or unstable. 2. Switch between Bluetooth and wireless receiver mode to confirm the Razer mouse response on either connection type. 3. Reconnect the USB receiver securely and try another USB port if the mouse still stays unresponsive. 4. Restart the computer and reconnect the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed after startup finishes completely. 5. Move the mouse and test clicks afterward to confirm whether the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed works normally again.